Alrighty, starting up week 2 of life back on the road full time. We've made it to Page, Arizona, and later today we're going to be going kayaking on Lake Powell and all of the activities that are in Page, Arizona. So we're super excited to explore the area.
We're currently camping at Rome America, Horseshoe Bend.
And we're super excited to see Horseshoe Bend. We wanted to for a long time. So we're just going to be doing all of the activities to hit the road.
Let's go.
We're headed to the Shell gas station cave. It's literally minutes from our campground, so we're gonna go look at it. A pretty rough week getting out of Texas and to Arizona, 3 states in 1 week. We got stuck in a dust storm, got rained on, drove crazy bumpy roads. It was a pretty intense week on the road, so if you didn't see the first video, I'll link it here so you can experience the chaos with us.
Well, we're already here. It's literally right next to the RV park.
Big John. It's the most Texas thing I've ever seen outside of Texas.
Heading to Horseshoe Bend viewpoint. Day 2 in Page. We are going to Antelope Canyon, so we'll see you on the trail. It was absolutely amazing. It was like being held by the earth. Sandy, cold, dark. It was awesome. That's how the buses come in right there. I'm using my big hat today. We are going kayaking in Lake Powell today. We're going to try to get to the Antelope Canyon entrance on the water. So let's go.
First time taking the kayaks off the truck since Texas. Let's do this thing.
And guess who else is here? This one.
The one day it's cloudy and cold, we go kayaking. Gracen said it's life risking, so we may have to turn back. This was a mistake. We came out on a cloudy, windy day, and search and rescue told us to head back. So
Choppy as hell.
choppy as hell. I just wanted to go kayaking on Lake Powell. Oh my God. Almost lost our lives today.
Can't feel my toes.
Me neither. That was a very challenging kayak, to say the least.
Very challenging? You guys almost just saw us die. They would have been recovering this footage from the bottom of a river. I had to text my mom and tell her I love her.
You did?
Yeah.
The one day out of the past 3 weeks that it's not sunny, we decided to go kayaking.
It's super windy. And honestly, today was like the lower wind. But then something rolled through and it was terrifying. There were a lot of people out there too.
We had to use Gracen's phone to call 911 for an old man who was stuck out there.
76-year-old man.
Glad we're back.
Poor man.
We have been pretty much hanging out at the house, and then we're finally getting ready for bed. We go to take Bay out, and Keke escapes. It's 11:35 p.m. and it's like 40 degrees. What a day.
And now I woke up all the neighbors because I'm walking around yelling Keke.
And shining a very bright flashlight.
Bad board, bad board, bad, bad, bad. I woke up all the neighbors. Good night.
Today's our last day in Page, so we're gonna run down to Horseshoe Bend. We have 40 minutes until we have to check out of the RV park. Classic Gracen and Austin.
Classic guy.
RV park didn't care at all, so we're gonna be quick. Go down and see it. Last time we saw it, the sun was setting, so there wasn't a whole lot of light on Horseshoe Bend, so we're excited to go see the rocks. Monument Valley was amazing. The rocks are so randomly placed or carved away, I guess. Well, we were planning to go to Moab today, but it seems like we're probably going to end up in Valley of the Gods. So it was just kind of a brief stop and look. If we wanted to go in, we would have had to disconnect from the trailer and take the truck on like a 17-mile dirt road that takes 2 hours to drive or something like that. So we decided against that since it's already 5 p.m. Utah time. We lost an hour. So next is Forrest Gump Point, and then Valley of the Gods.
It says we're 5 minutes away.
Monument Valley, check. Forrest Gump Point, check. Valley of the Gods, almost check. We're like 30 minutes from Valley of the Gods, and we're trying to decide if we're gonna go there because they allow dispersed camping, or if we're gonna push on to Moab, which is 2 hours from here. Guess we're passing Mexican Hat soon.
There's Mexican Hat
There's
right
the
there.
RV park.
Mexican Hat.
If it's that steep, don't go. Moab it is.
We pulled into a rest area last night and woke up this morning and it was 40 degrees, frozen solid. Yeah, we're heading to Moab.
Well, it's been 2 years since we've been to Moab. We came here on our first full-time RV adventure after the Grand Tetons. We went to Salt Lake City and then Moab, and we spent a few days here, really not that long, and we went to Arches. So we're excited to be back here. We'll be here for 4 nights before we head to Grand Junction.
Maybe we can go to the Sunset Grill this time.
Sure, you paying? Well, we found one BLM area that we could camp at, but we didn't have any service.
And it's not like we always need service. We're just trying to get some work done. It's also nice to have the temperature monitor working and the cameras so we can make sure that the pets are okay.
So we did some more digging and found out that there are 3 or more campgrounds along the Colorado River, just miles from downtown Moab, that are first come, first served. So we're turning around. We're gonna see if we can get lucky. 10 a.m. on a Wednesday.
I think we will.
What do you think, Keke? Keke's done. He looks so chunky in this shot. Well, we got a spot. We got one of the 2 last spots. These huge red rock cliffs, and right in front of it is the river. Pretty awesome.
The erosional processes that carve these intricate canyons are gravity, the river, wind, moisture, and the freezing and thawing action of water. The hardness of the layer of rock determines if it forms a cliff or a slope. You see from the river up to that first plateau is the Rico Formation, which is 275 million years old. So back from like an ancient ocean.
Driving in national parks is one of my favorite things to do.
Especially when people aren't assholes. So the things that look like roads are scars left behind from uranium mining trucks back before the park was established. Well, that was it for the Sun Island. Is that what it was? Sun Island visitors?
Sun Island side?
Well, that was it for the Sun Island side of Canyonlands. I would like to explore the Needles side someday, but we're like an hour and a half from there, and we're headed to Colorado tomorrow, so we don't have time. But I'm sure we'll be back. Our destination's only an hour and a half from here, and we're gonna try to hang out in the same place for a while, so we should definitely be able to come back down and explore more of Moab. We gotta go back to the RV and take care of the pets, and we're almost out of water, so time to head home.
We made it to Colorado.
The air already feels so much better, even on the side of the highway. I also filmed you putting gas in the truck.
Good.
Sorry, Jeff and Mindy.
Thanks for you. We made it.
Well, we're officially headed to Grand Junction.
It's been 2 weeks on the road. Watch our first video from Texas to Arizona. It's a crazy journey.
So it's Arizona to Utah. Next week we'll be in Colorado, and we're planning to stay in Colorado for a while. We don't know how long, but if you like our content, please consider subscribing and please comment below. We love to meet people in this community and are interested in our lifestyle. So yeah, drop any questions you have, and thanks for watching.
See you in the next video. Bye.